The West Nile Peace Day celebrations set to take place this month will highlight the successes achieved from the peace agreement signed on December 24, 2002 between the government of Uganda and the Uganda National Rescue Front 2 and the second rebel group to merge from the region. The State Minister for Veteran Affairs addressed the significance of this milestone.
There were provisions included for disarmament and dissolution of the UNRF2, as well as demobilization and reintegration of its members into the civilian life. That was one of the issues in the agreement signed, a clause specifically for that.
Minister Huda stated that the primary purpose of the Peace Day celebrations is to provide a platform for the government to give an account of the implementation of the agreement that was signed.
That government is going with the heads raised up because most of the clauses in the agreements have been successfully fulfilled by the government. So government is going back to give accountability to the people, looking clause by clause and asking them which one has not been implemented. That's what we are going to do.
The minister further highlighted the government's plan to reopen the new infrastructure that will connect the West Nile to South Sudan, aiming to boost the business development and combat poverty in the region.
When we shall be connected to South Sudan, and when our road is connected through Zombo, through Arua, and up to Central Africa, in terms of businesses, the sky will be limit the people of West Nile. We are just waiting for that from the government, where government is committed. The plans are already there. It's just a matter of resources. The people of West Nile will be one of the regions that in future you will eliminate among the poor. We don't regret so much because we just started. The confusion we went through disorganized us a lot. We know we are poor and we know why we are poor. So we just want to address the factors that will make us to join socio-economic transformation.
This also highlighted some of the achievements made during the 23 years of the transformation in the West Nile.
All the private universities in Uganda, all of them, IU, and so UCU, all of them, Uganda Matters, they've got campuses in the West Nile region. Meaning the education of our people to the higher education level is now well catered for.
Between 1980 and 1985, General Moses Ali formed the Uganda National Rescue Front, which fought against the Milton Obote regime too. After the group's demobilization, General Ali formed the Uganda National Rescue Front 2, which primarily operated in the various areas of Yumbe, Obongi and Moyo. The peace agreement signed in 2002 included the integration of the Uganda National Rescue Front 2 soldiers into the Ugandan army and the allocation of the shillings 9.2 billion in compensation to the group.